Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you the correct way or how to copy a table from Excel and copy that table and Microsoft Office, because of course some persons at times they will have problem in terms of copying a table the right way from Excel and of course get it into Microsoft without any problem. So first I'm going to locate the Excel file. So here you go, we have a bunch of timetables right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy one of the timetable. So the first thing that you need to do is to highlight the timetable. So I'm gonna highlight it, the section that I want to copy. As you can see there, let's go again, just click drag. Then I'm gonna right click, choose copy. The next thing is to now open the Microsoft Office, and when you're pasting, don't just right click and paste like that. Like for example, as you can see there, it is not pasted properly. So right click, just hover across these options and they will tell you which and you will actually see which one is the best. Image, you can paste it as image. So once you paste it like image like that, as you can see, really neatly paste on it. Of course it's an image, so you can extend it like that if you want to get it larger. So let's say for example you want to paste it, so you can edit it. Let's go back, right click, so use destination style, and this one is saying keep source formatting. So I'm gonna keep the source formatting, as you can see not fitting on the page there. Just gonna change the orientation of the page, right? So as you can see there, and you can edit it. So this option really works. So let's go back again, let it blank. So you can go to paste at the top left hand corner there, click on paste, and it will actually paste just the way you want it on it. As you can see, some of them definitely don't work, as this one that said link and use destination style, that definitely don't work, as you can see the table is actually out of place. So now I'm going to use the image format there if I'm not going to edit it, or you can also use this format which said that keep the source formatting. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.